2020 Absolute Baseball. We got 3 box, number 2, I think. Yeah, number 2. What's that? If it isn't already. Yeah. Alright, guys. Good luck jumping right in. Appreciate the payments. Everybody's on time. Got 3 boxes of Absolute. Then we're jumping into Chronicles. Last 3 boxes of Absolute in the house. Same thing with Chronicles draft. So good luck, guys. Looking for something big. How's it going, Mickey? Chelsea Jeff's got Seahawks and Redskins. Well, good luck to you guys. Mickey's got the Angels and Absolute. Oh. I like Absolute. A lot of hits. Very nice. Alright. Next week we've got Luminance Football, Optic Baseball, a few mixers going down, also some NBA mixers, some Obsidian. Should be fun. Going on that Zion hunt. Alright, last mini. Good to go. Good luck. Everything ships, guys. As always, everything will be out tomorrow morning. Good luck to you. See what we've got. Eloy. DiMaggio. Will Smith. Marcus Simeon. Castellanos to 199, going out to the Reds. First up, Donnie Walton, Seattle Mariners. To 99, rookie materials. Solid white piece. Mariners first up on the board. Next up, Washington. Victor Robles, number to 49. Nice patch. Jersey signatures. Adams looking for the Mets. Football is after this, Mendy. Only a couple boxes here of Absolute. It's pretty short break. To 125, Dubon for the San Francisco Giants. 49 of 125. Game ball. Couple short breaks. Not too many cards. Pete Alonso, Mickey Mantle. Verdugo. Ryu. Benintendi. Rendon. To 199, Roberto Clemente. Floreal Tools of the Trade for New York, number to 49. Nice quad. Bat patch, solid black, and maybe like a sock piece or something there. Very thick. Next up, Chicago. Danny Mendick, number to 75. Jersey signatures, solid black jersey auto. Graterol next up to 75, rookie game ball auto. And introductions, Gleyber Torres to 99, Bieber and Mike Clevinger. 1-2 punch going out to the Indians. One hit. We're hoping for you, Mickey. We are pulling for you. Kershaw, Dahl, Rizzo, Suarez to 199. Brian Anderson. Milwaukee Brewers, Orlando Arcia. Quad number to 99. White, white, blue, blue. All solid napkin pieces there. Tools of the trade. You have a redemption. Set that over. Next, Lewis Thorpe, Minnesota Twins. Rookie game ball auto to 125. Juan Soto, Absolute Heroes, Rookie Roundup. Diaz. Let's check out our redemption. Absolute Ink Spectrum Black. 18, Corey Seager. Black. Corey Seager. Verified checklist and numbering on that. A lot of times the Panini Black is 1, so we're going to hope. Sandy, Josh Bell. We got Verlander, Polanco to 99, DJ LeMahieu. Got the red. Adrian Beltre going out to the Rangers. Nice dual. Grip it and rip it. 3 of 25. Bat relic and a little glove piece there. Next up, Tyrone Taylor. Tools of the trade to 75. Dual jersey auto. Milwaukee. Snagging another one. And to 125 for the Blue Jays. Yamaguchi. Rookie game ball auto. Very nice. Introductions, Soraka and Unsung Heroes, Mike. 1 of 1. Alright, it is 1 of 1, guys. Very nice. Hopefully that they fill that for you pretty quickly. Hopefully. Alright, 1 of 1, LA Dodgers. There we go. Corey Seager. Come on, Angels. We got to wake it up. Eloy. DiMaggio. Zach. Moncada. Red Austin Meadows, number to 99. How about some Aquino for the Reds? Rookie Materials, solid white jersey. Rockies, Daza. A 6-piece. Got a little 2-color there. Tools of the trade. 118 of 199. A lot of duals, triples, quads, mixed with the autos. Next up, Diaz. Going out to the Miami Marlins. 66 of 149. Rookie game ball auto. 1-2 punch, Scherzer, Strasburg, and Absolute Heroes, Vladdy. Last pack, let's do it. Bueller, Garrett Cole, Brian Anderson, Ted Williams, another red, Austin Meadows, okay. Going out to Tampa Bay. Chicago, Dylan Cease. Little 2-color, got a little black pinstripe on the right. Going out to Chicago, Rookie Materials. Duke Snider. Check that out. 3 of 5. Iconic ink. Look at that. 3 of 5. That is sweet. That's right. Serious Sports Cards doing serious work tonight. Aaron Savall out of Cleveland to 75. Rookie game ball auto. Absolute Legends. Santo And Roberto Clemente. That's number to 25. 9 of 25. Absolute legends. Very cool. Going out to the Pirates. Alright, guys. Thanks for jumping in. I'm sorry, Mickey. We'll take care of you, buddy. We got you covered. Why don't you message me on eBay? Let me know if you picked up the Angels just, because they're your team or just because you were looking for some Angel action tonight. We'll get you hooked up.